Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is Kaziranga leads rhino conservation. Why in news? On World Rhino Day, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change hailed the Kaziranga National Park in Assam as a global model for rhino conservation and at the same time called trafficking and climate change impacts the two biggest threats to the prized one-horned rhinos. About one-horned rhino, Assam is home to 80% of the global population of one-horned rhinos. The Indian rhino is the largest of the three Asian species of the animal and shares its single horn characteristic with the Javan rhino found mostly in Indonesia. They are found in grasslands, swamps and riverine forest in India's east and neighbouring Nepal. In India, rhinos are mainly found in Assam, West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh. Assam has 4 protected areas related to rhinos, that is Pobitora Wildlife Reserve, Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park, Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park. The International Union for Conservation of Nature categorizes the Indian rhino as vulnerable. According to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, India's rhino population surged approximately by 170% since the 1980s, from 1,500 then to over 4,014 in 2024. Rhinos play a vital role in shaping the ecosystems. As mega herbivores, they help maintain vegetation structure and create open grasslands that benefit various wildlife species. Role of Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park, with 2,613 rhinos as of 2022, is a global model for rhino conservation. Kaziranga model of conservation, which emphasizes investment in forest front lines and scientific management of wildlife habitats, has gained global recognition. This model integrates biodiversity conservation, anti-poaching strategies, and reforestation programs, ensuring the long-term survival of rhinos. By maintaining a rhino-centric approach, Assam continues to be a global leader in wildlife conservation. Strict protection measures, smart patrolling, and community engagement have contributed to its success. Additionally, partnerships between the park authorities and local communities have mitigated human-wildlife conflicts, further strengthening conservation efforts. What are the conservation efforts? The 5 rhino range nations, India, Bhutan, Nepal, Indonesia and Malaysia, have signed a declaration, the New Delhi Declaration on Asian Rhinos 2019, for the conservation and protection of the species. National Rhino Conservation Strategy was launched in 2019 to conserve the greater one-horned rhinoceros. Indian Rhino Vision 2020, launched in 2005, was an ambitious effort to attain a wild population of at least 3,000 greater one-horned rhinos spread over 7 protected areas in the Indian state of Assam by the year 2020. The Assam Rhino Protection Act of 1954 and the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 strengthened legal frameworks against poaching, significantly increasing penalties for offenders. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about Indian rhino. The International Union for Conservation of Nature categorizes the Indian rhino as endangered. In India, rhinos are mainly found in Assam, West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.